Hello children, I hope you all are good at your homes. Today we are going to start class 8 GK chapter number 2 Birds World. Okay, so before starting with the chapter, first put the date 16/10/2020. Okay, no matter if you are a bird lover or not, it doesn't matter whether you are a bird lover or not, you cannot deny their colorfulness, their beauty, or the mystery they present as they fly high above in the sky. Now, it doesn't matter that you like the birds or you don't, but you cannot say that they are not colorful or they don't have a beauty, because they are very beautiful and they also have the colors. And when they just present those colors and the beauty when they are flying above in the sky. Pictures and characteristics of some birds are given below. Identify and write their names in the blanks chosen. Blanks. Choose your answer from the pictures. Now, here are the names of the birds, and you have to, just by reading the characteristics of some birds, you have to identify which bird name will come in that characteristics. Okay, so you have to choose your answer from the pictures. First one, these birds are famous for their fishing skills and perch near a river or stream, watching prey to swim into striking range. So, which fish it is? Sorry, which bird it is? It is the kingfishers. So, write KINGFISHERS, kingfisher. Second, this bird stands for endurance, independence, and courage. It is the national bird of USA. Which bird is the national bird of USA? It is the bald eagle. BALD, bald, EAGLE, eagle. Third one, these are aerial birds and are the fastest flyers. Which bird it is? It is the swift. Right? SWIFT, swift. This bird drinks blood from the wings of other birds by poking them with its sharp beak. So, which bird it is? It is the red-billed hornbill. You can see red-billed hornbill. So, write the answer. RED, red, BILLED, bill, HORNBILL. Okay children, next, a special feature of this bird is they have eyelashes. So which bird is having the eyelashes? This is the hornbill. You can see the eyelashes. So write the answer number 5, that is the hornbill. HORN, horn, BILL, bill, hornbill. This bird chases and forces other birds to drop their food. Which bird it is? It is the frigate bird. FRIGAT, frigate, BIRD, bird, frigate bird. Seventh one, this bird prey on flying insects, bees, etc., and before consuming its prey, it removes stink of the insect. So, which bird it is? It is the bee eater. Okay, so write BEEBEATER, bee eater. Last but not the least, this was the first bird domesticated by humans. Which is the bird which is domesticated by the humans? That is the goose. So write GOOSE, goose. So children, this is the work of chapter number 2, Birds World, of class 8, on page number 6. You all have to do in your textbook in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.